Hello again, YouTubers, on with SpongeBob 101 back here again on the Other Stuff channel. Today we're flying from here in Calgary, Canada, over to Los Angeles, California. So we're flying international USA. So we're gonna go check in. We're flying with Lynx Air. Actually, their check-in is all the way over there. But now let's head into the terminal and check it out. Look at that. So this is the international section of the terminal, of course. We've got very nice canopy there, Air Canada, WestJet, and even the access for the United States right there, which we're going to go through. So Lynx Air checks in over at row 14. Our flight over here is the Y90615 Los Angeles flight departing at 16:15 today. So, yep, that's check-ins, and let's go get checked in with Lynx Air. All right, so here it is, the very small Lynx Air check-in. Now, Lynx Air doesn't fly that much to the United States anyway, so let's take a look here. Right, so here we are in the international gates in YYC. Our gate is E90. We'll be flying on a chartered Airbus A320 operated by GlobalX Airlines. So, well, that was a doozy of a check-in. Turns out they closed the check-ins 75 minutes before departure, so pretty crazy. Looks like I'm not going to be getting any of those Alberta shirts, but it's okay. Let's head down to Los Angeles. Oh, and take a look at that, WestJet 787. But yeah, so let's head down to the gate. So that is our aircraft, N628VA, a Airbus A320 operated by GlobalX. I mean, Lynx Air technically, but yeah, it is a GlobalX charter airplane. So we won't really get the 737 MAX experience on the airline that we kind of booked on, but you know, all I want at this point is to just get down to Los Angeles. So let's go aboard. So boarding N628VA or something, but yeah. All right, let's go to Los Angeles. I'll be sitting in seat 16A, which is a window seat. So, well, that's a consolation. Not expecting anything from this flight, honestly. Even buy on board, I don't think we're gonna get any buy on board, but we shall see. You know, they could exceed expectations here because the level of expectations here is very low. So, yeah.
Exactly.
Under your seatbelt. Make sure that the hedgehogs do too.
Safety information card is located in the seatbelt mounted in front of you. Follow along using the safety information card as we demonstrate and explain the safety features of board this aircraft. Fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle until it slips. To tighten, put the strap end to fit lower flights. Flights are inflated automatically when open. There are 4 live rafts located in the overhead bins, forward and rear of the aircraft. The compartment above your seat will automatically open and release the mask. Reach up and pull the mask down firmly to start the flow of oxygen. Place the yellow. Written and pictorial signs are located throughout the cabin. Federal law requires compliance with these lighted information signs, posted placards, as well as any crew member instructions.
So it's lavatory time here in this Airbus A320. We've got a mirror, soap and sink, and all that. Coat hook, and the toilet. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Needs a little refurbishment if you ask me, but it is what it is.
We are preparing the cabin for landing. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your seatback is in the upright position, your tray table is closed, and all carrying items secured in an overhead bin. GlobalX welcomes you to Los Angeles where the local time is 7:10 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carrying items stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned on. If your mobile device is within reach, you may now use your data service to make and receive calls and messages. Once we're ready for passenger deplaning, please be careful when opening the overhead bins as items may have shipped during flight. At that time, please check around your seat, seatbelt pockets and the overhead bins, ensuring no personal belongings are left on board. For those passengers needing wheelchair assistance, please remain seated until the other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for choosing Lynx Air operated by GlobalX as your air carrier, and we do look forward to having you on board with us soon. Thank you.
All right, so here we are in the Tom Bradley International Terminal, actually where we started from California about a week ago. So yeah, that's all for this flight experience, guys. Make sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next flight experience where we will be taking All Nippon Airways ANA from here, LAX, over to Tokyo Haneda. Till then, bye.